Hey all, welcome back to my channel again. I hope each one of you are doing fine. It's almost 10 a.m. in the morning, and the first thing that I did is to spend some quality time with my plants. Last few days have been very busy with my kids' exams going on and also with the Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, we are done with the exams now. So today I thought I would finish all the tasks that I have been avoiding all these days. But before giving breakfast for my kids got break from school soon after the exams. So these days they are home enjoying their short break. This table got a bit messed up, so today I thought I would clean and organize it as well. First, I removed all the organizers and cleaned it with a cloth very nicely. During Ramadan, I'm trying to manage my time by doing household chores in the morning itself when I have more energy. Our priority should be getting most of this month, but this does not mean ignoring the home management. Try to clean the house and kitchen on the go instead of leaving things to be cleaned at once later. This will make you more tired and consume more of your precious Ramadan time. As my kids will enter into a new academic year, they will need extra space for everything. Their books from last academic year were everywhere in the place. So, what I did is I gathered them all at one place and check which one will be of their use during their vacations and keep it aside. All the other books that are of no use, I will place them in the small carton one by one. As a homemaker, I feel we have to look at several aspects of our home. Even one task neglected can result in even lot more mess. Anyway, I will ask my husband to donate these books in any bookstore. I would like to know what you all do with your kids' previous academic year books. Time is flying by the end and the days have become shorter. I feel Ramadan each year goes even faster than the previous one. I'm making all my kids' favorite dishes for Iftar today, which can be made easily by anyone within no time. The first thing that I'm going to make is this date filled with cream and pistachio. I have put low fat cream in the Ziploc bag to fill the dates. I have already removed all the seeds from the dates. All you need to do is just to fill the dates with the cream and coat it in the pistachios. That's it. It gets ready in no time but still stands out on your iftar table. As the mango season has already begun, today I am making mango dry fruit milkshake. For this, in a blender, I have added 2 cups of mangoes, ice cubes, 2 glasses of milk, 1 cup of cream, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of mixed dry fruit powder that I made earlier. At last, I'll add 1/4 cup of sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste. I will pulse it for 2 to 3 minutes. I will take out the milkshake in the glasses and keep it in the fridge until the iftar time. Trust me, it turned out very delicious. The next item in the menu is Arabic lukhaimat, which are either known as dumplings. For this, in a bowl, I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour. In that, I have added 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and sprinkled some salt. And at last, added 1 tablespoon of butter. I will mix all the dry ingredients first. Add lukewarm water gradually into the flour and mix it until you get the perfect consistency. Make sure you use only lukewarm water, otherwise the batter will not rise. For better results, whisk the batter with your fingers as such at least for 5 minutes. Consistency should be like this, neither thick nor thin. I will cover and keep it aside in the warm place for 45 minutes. In the meantime, I will make filling for chicken sandwiches. For this, in a plate, I have taken boiled shredded chicken and added 1 cup of chopped onions, tomatoes, and lettuce leaves into the chicken. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I will mix everything well and add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of cream, black pepper and salt and mix everything. I try to include at least one item in the iftar that is high on protein level. I'll keep the mixture aside until I fry the dumplings. For frying the dumplings, the oil should be moderately hot. Mix the batter once so all the air bubbles get removed. For making dumplings, first wet your hands with the water and take small portion of the batter and slowly drop them into the oil. Do not overcrowd the oil with too many dumplings. Keep mixing the dumplings so that they are cooked well from all the sides. When they turn light golden color from all the sides, take them out on a tissue paper. Make sure to wet your hands every time before adding the dumplings. When you do this, the batter will not stick to your hands. For making sandwiches, I have taken whole wheat bread and applied some butter and also some sandwich spread. I will now add the chicken filling that I made on the bread. These sandwiches goes perfectly when you crave for something junk from outside and also healthy at the same time. I will apply the butter on the pan and toast the sandwiches from both the sides. You can even use a griller for the sandwiches, but my husband likes it as such. I will now drizzle some honey on the dumplings. Traditionally, they are dipped in the sugar syrup, but trust me, this also tastes the same. At last, I topped it with some pistachios. I will now set the iftar table. My family loved and enjoyed all the recipes that I made today. I hope you all have liked my video. If so, please comment me in the comment section. I will meet you all with my next vlog. Until then, take care and make lots of duas.